Hey guys, in this video, I am going to be showing you how to apply false eyelashes. It's a question I get all the time. So here's a few things you're gonna need. You are going to need a set of false eyelashes. I am using the Ardell Foam Mink 3D. I got these ones at Target, style number 858. You will also need an eyelash glue. I use the Pure Eyelash Glue. I got this from Ulta because I do have sensitivity to a lot of the eyelash glues out there. My eyes are very sensitive. I'm allergic to a lot of them, and this is the only brand that I can use that doesn't give my eyes any swelling or redness or irritation. You will also need a pair of cosmetic scissors, or any just small fine scissors will work as well. And this is completely optional, but you will need a pair of tweezers. I have my pair of eyelashes here. They're brand new, never been cut or touched, just open the package. And you want to be really delicate in taking these out. How I like to do it is I just like to gently pull down the eyelash until it comes off the packaging. Now, if this doesn't really work for you, you can also use tweezers and grab them and pull them out. But I tend to find that sometimes when I do that, it loses its curved shape. So I just gently pull and tug at one of the eyelashes till it comes off the packaging. The next step is you're going to want to measure this eyelash on your eye. So eyelashes are typically too long for my eyes. So this is how I measure. I take the eyelash straight from the package and I simply gently just kind of place it gently on top of my lid and see how much I need to cut it. My recommendation for cutting eyelashes is you just want to cut a little at a time until you get the exact length of your eye, because you don't want it to poke into your eye and you don't want it to fall too far out of your wing. I'm going to take my cosmetic scissors, and you want to make sure that you're cutting on the outside of the lash. So you can tell, like, this side is going to be my right eye and this side is the inside, as you can see as it came in the packaging. And this is the outside. So I'm gonna start cutting from the outside. Normally, most lashes, it's gonna be smaller to a fuller, longer length. And that's another way you can tell which eye is which. So I'm gonna hold the eyelash and I'm gonna cut where the glue is, right at the strip. Cut about this much off. And then after I cut one, I'm gonna go back and measure and make sure that it fits my eye the way I like it. So now I'm gonna repeat the process with the other eyelash. Now I reuse my eyelashes all the time, so I only have to do this every so often. Every time I get a new pair of eyelashes, I just do it once and then I don't ever have to do it again. Here's another trick I learned. So you can do the same thing. You can measure your eye, or you can take what you cut off, put it on top of the lash, just like that. You're going to cut off exactly the same amount that you cut off on the other end. And then your lashes should be even. You can always double check in case your eyes are not symmetrical. And now that we have our cut lashes, I'm going to show you how to apply them. You're going to take your glue and you're going to apply a thin layer of glue onto the strip of the lash. After you apply the glue, you're gonna want to wait about 15 to 20 seconds or so before putting it on your skin. So you can either just blow on it or wave it or just wait. Now, this is the key step, because if you try to put it on right away, the glue hasn't become tacky enough, so it's not gonna stick and it's gonna slip right off. So if that is your problem with false eyelashes, it's because you're not waiting long enough until the glue gets kind of tacky before you apply. So I always apply my lashes with just my fingers, but if you need to, you can apply with tweezers as well by holding the lashes with the tweezer, like on the outer edge. I'm just gonna do it with my fingers and I'm gonna show you how I do it. I always start from the inner to the outer and I gently place it right above my lid and I just press the lash into my lid. And now we will repeat with the other side. So now that we have our eyelashes on, you're just going to wait till they dry. And I just like to occasionally just make sure that they're sticking exactly in the spots I want them to. And then what I do is to make sure my lashes, my natural lashes, are blending in, I just kind of lightly press my lashes into the falsies. What you can also do is apply another coat of mascara into the falsies. I don't like to do that just because I don't like my falsies to get clumpy, and I like to reuse my eyelashes as many times as possible. As long as I don't mess them up or sleep in them or get them wet, then I can just reuse them. I literally just pull the glue off the strip and then reuse it. I know some girls like to put another coat of eyeliner on the top just to cover up the glue spots, but if you just use a thin layer of glue, you shouldn't be able to see any glue spots, but you can always go back in with some liquid eyeliner and cover it up and make it look a little bit more natural if you'd like. So I hope these tips were really helpful in applying fake lashes. I will see you guys on my next video.